Welcome to, hello and welcome to another video. We are playing, Survive LeBron James 2. Well, I'm running. No! 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 Leave me alone! Help me! No! Why is he still going? No! No, 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 no. No. Stop. Bruh. Oh, Lord have mercy, bruh. Is that the fucking flowery thing? Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. I'm charging up my racism. Ah! What a fucking stone wall, bro. Get your goofy ass out of here. Goodbye. And now LeBron doesn't randomly appear out of nowhere. Oh yes. My super laser beast. That one guy just went flying, dude. Bonk. Leave me alone! Ah! Get back! Get back! Get back, you foul beast! Leave me alone! Ew. God damn it. Get slapped. Bitch, fuck you! I don't think I even hit him. I might try editing, but I'm kind of lazy. And I don't wanna do that. Why won't it? Ow. Depression. Absolute cinema. Oh my god, bro. I have to recharge every fucking 5 seconds. Can't do shit. There we go. Ah! Wait, this is a nose honk. That's the question. It doesn't fucking honk. Of course it doesn't. game is shit. Absolute dog water. Get back! Get back! No! 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 No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, you stay away. Please tell me he's not following me. Okay, if I see him, he's getting blasted by my racism. YouTube, please don't demonetize me. Okay, fuck it. That's evil. Woohoo! Wah! One more time. Boing. Ow. That was a misclick. I'm telling you guys, it's a fucking misclick. Racism or whatever. I think it just launched a nuclear bomb in like a fucking full-on other country that is unknown that we somehow haven't found. He just launched another nuke. Ah! Bitch, fuck you. I didn't hit him. I did it. Bitch, come here. Come here. Come here. Fuck you. Ah! Stay back, you foul beast! Did he really just try to body block me? Watch. Oh. I'm gonna... Uh-oh. Oh no. Stay back! Oh god, dude. Please, sir, please. I might be okay. Fuck you. Driving in my railgun right after a beer. Hey, that bum just fucking dodged my slap. DUI, how about you die? I'm evil. Get back here! Get back here! Fuck! I will, please. Fuck you. How did he hit me, dude? No. If he hit me, he has to be hacking. Get yo goofy ass, bro. Boom! I'm fucked. He remembers. He remembers what I did. Can I, like, charge up my laser? Come back here. Come back here. Fuck. mercy. I'm gonna kill Shadow, bro. I don't care if you ain't no stupid ass ultimate life form. Get back here. Can I charge up? My screen started shaking and I got PTSD. Racism! Oh, did he just fucking... Bitch. I am going to fucking... Don't ask. I'm giggling and shiggling. Racism. I need to stop saying that. I won't get demonetized. Please, YouTube, I need this. My channel's kind of undemonetized right now because I don't have enough subscribers. So I don't know what I'm talking about, bitch. Charging up my You know what? No. I'm not done with you yet, bitch. I'm not done with you. Get back here. No. Shit. He jerked me. Get back here. Let me charge up, dude. And you think I'm done? Do you think I am done? Get back here. No, you're not going anywhere. You think you can run from me? Get back here. Oi. Get your goofy ass, bro. I'm straight up just bullying him, bro. Get your goofy ass. I don't like you. How dare you? Assault! Kill him! Bully him. You're cooked. Cooked, buddy. You're cooked. Did you really just try to earthbend me, bro? No. He starts sprinting, bro. Oh yeah, by the way, extremely late plug into the video. If you guys could subscribe, it would mean like the whole world to me. I really want to get 100 subscribers. Possibly before the middle of the year. And so if you guys could do that, I'd probably stream it. Ah! He starts sprinting at Mach fucking 10. Die! Oh. Michael! Nah! Depression. I might make a video on the remake of Maze. Probably gonna be on the weekend though. Oi, 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 oi. Piss. Oi, 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 oi. I'm gonna like fling and stun LeBron. I'm gonna fling like 10 more people and then stun LeBron like one more time. The fuck is LeBron anyway? I'm charging up my something. I didn't mean to do that. It was a misclick, I swear. Oi, 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 oi. Well, that was just idiotic. Like I said, I want to send this guy like one more time. If only he would decide. Alright, I guess that's signaling me to go and make a thumbnail for this video and sign out. Hope you guys all have a amazing day. Again, please subscribe. It would mean the whole world. And yeah. Bye-bye.